Hello viewers, let's solve the question on the board. If the same quantity of heat is supplied to substance P and Q, P has a temperature rise twice that of Q, Q has a mass that is half of the mass of P. Find the ratio of specific heat capacity of P to that of Q. The formula for finding specific heat capacity is C represents specific capacity is equal to quantity of heat over mass times temperature rise. We're considering two substances here, P and Q. They have the same quantity of heat. So let's write Q here and write Q here. The mass of P is M, while the mass of Q from the question is M divided by 2. The temperature rise of P is 2 times temperature rise of Q. We are looking for the ratio of specific capacity of P to that of Q. So we write specific heat capacity of P divided by specific heat capacity of Q. We will now have Q over M times temperature rise divided by Q over M times temperature rise. This is for P, while this is for Q. So we can now substitute. They have the same quantity of heat. We write Q over the mass of P is what? M. Write M times the temperature rise of P is 2 times temperature rise. Write 2 times temperature rise divided by, we will go over to Q. The quantity of heat for Q is still Q. Then the mass of Q is M over 2. So here will be M over 2 times the temperature rise is change in theta. So here will be equal to change in theta. All right. Remember, this is still the same thing as Q over M times 2 delta theta divided by 2Q over M times delta theta. If we bring it down again, we are going to have Q over M 2 times delta theta. We will change the division sign to multiplication sign. Therefore, this will come out while this will come down. So we're going to have M delta theta over 2Q. Remember, the value for Q is the same. Therefore, this will cancel this. The value for mass is the same. Therefore, M will cancel M. The value for change in temperature is the same. Therefore, change in temperature will cancel change in temperature. We will now have 1 over 2 times 2, which is 4. Therefore, the ratio is 1:4. From the options given, the correct answer is option A. Question number 2 says, if a virtual image appears larger than the object and is formed on the same side as the object, the possible mirror/lens used is dash. Option A is concave lens. No. Option B is convex lens. Convex lens is the correct answer. When an object is placed between the focal length and the center of curvature of a convex lens, the image form is on the same side as the object, and as well it is magnified. That is, it is larger than the object. Thank you for following my class. Bye.